Oh yes, we're doing a throwback 2017 Women's March, Washington D.C. because humans are a part of nature. This was a march where almost 500,000 people, almost 500,000 people marched in D.C. I was one of them, and millions participated across the globe advocating for women's rights and equalities across the board. And that included racial inequalities. It was a day that will forever change me. All I had was my GoPro and I was just learning how to make films. It's a slow start to a climactic finish, so I hope you enjoy.
This is a moment in time that is a pivotal moment in the history of our country.
Your sister?
I'm just here for love. Love trumps hate, always. Also, Black Lives Matter.
Excellent.
That he will be my president when he allows my body to be mine.
I made free downloadable artwork for people. I made 60 signs. This is one of them. This is the one I chose to carry today. Our project's called Countertype.
Countertype?
Yep, there's a hashtag.
It'll show up.
Are you ready to shake up the world? Welcome to the revolution of love. This is what democracy looks like. Show me what democracy looks like. This is what democracy looks like. Show me what democracy looks like. This is what democracy looks like. Show me what democracy looks like. This is what democracy looks like.
How she felt, white supremacy, white
We're from Minnesota, representing the Minnesota women.
Thank you.
And we shivered in horse stalls at the racetrack as we waited to be shipped to American concentration camps. And yes, this is normal because we are Black Americans.
That day changed me. It was so powerful to be a part of it and see so many people come together wanting change. There were some funny moments, like when Madonna was performing, everyone was loving it, cheering, and then she was like, hey, let's go blow up the White House. And everyone was like, what? And then I think it was Ashley Judd that recognized Michael Moore just kept talking and talking and talking, so she just cut him off. Started talking, that was great. All right, spread some knowledge, be nature heroic.